Hello, welcome back to Upward Phase. Have you ever had a dream so big it felt completely out of reach? Maybe you want to write a novel, run a marathon, or start your own business. It feels like climbing Mount Everest, right? You look up at the peak and think, there's no way I can get there. So what happens? You don't even take the first step. I've been there. We've all been there. We get paralyzed by the sheer size of our goals. But what if I told you the secret to achieving those massive dreams isn't about taking a giant leap? It's about taking one tiny, almost laughably small step. Think about it. A marathon isn't run in one giant stride. It's a series of individual steps. A best-selling novel isn't written in a single day. It's written word by word, sentence by sentence. The most successful companies didn't just appear overnight. They started with a single idea, a single customer, a single sale. This is the incredible, often overlooked power of starting small. Let's call it the 1% rule. Instead of trying to go from 0 to 100, just focus on getting 1% better each day. Want to get fit? Don't force yourself to do a grueling 2-hour workout. Just put on your running shoes and walk around the block. That's it. That's the win for today. Tomorrow, maybe you walk a little further. The next day, you might jog for a minute. These small actions build momentum. Momentum is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it keeps rolling, it picks up more snow, gets bigger, and moves faster. Your small, consistent actions do the same thing. Each tiny success gives you a little boost of confidence and motivation. Hey, I did it yesterday, I can do it again today. This positive feedback loop is what carries you forward, making the next step easier than the last. The beauty of starting small is that it bypasses our brain's natural resistance to change. Big changes feel threatening and require a ton of willpower, which is a finite resource. Small changes, on the other hand, fly right under the radar. They don't trigger that fear of failure. Brushing your teeth for 2 minutes feels normal, right? But what if you decided to start a full-scale dental hygiene revolution in your life overnight? It would feel overwhelming. The same logic applies to our biggest goals. So what's that big goal you've been putting off? Let's break it down. Want to learn a new language? Don't try to memorize 100 vocabulary words. Just learn one single word. Write it down, say it out loud, use it in a sentence. Tomorrow, learn another. In a year, you'll know 365 words. That's more than enough to have a basic conversation. Want to start a YouTube channel? Don't worry about getting a fancy camera and professional lighting. Just take out your phone and record a 1-minute video about something you're passionate about. You don't even have to post it. The goal is just to create. The act of doing is what matters most. This principle transformed my own life. I used to dream of these huge projects, but I'd get so stuck in the planning phase that I never actually started. Then I decided to just do one small thing each day. For writing, it was just 1 paragraph. For my health, it was just 5 minutes of stretching. It felt silly at first, but soon, those small habits stacked on top of each other, creating real, tangible results. The projects got finished. I felt healthier and more energetic. The journey of 1,000 miles truly begins with a single step. Your biggest, most intimidating goals are not unconquerable mountains. They are simply a collection of small, manageable steps waiting to be taken. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. The perfect moment is now. So I challenge you today. Pick one goal, just one, and identify the smallest possible action you can take towards it. Can you do it in the next 5 minutes? Go for it. Celebrate that small victory. Then, do it again tomorrow. You'll be amazed at how far those tiny steps can take you. Thank you so much for watching. If this video resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a better, more intentional life. Let me know in the comments what small step you're going to take today. Let's get this snowball rolling together. See you in the next one.